ready to make Mario Maker? You? Okay. So we're doing Mario Maker drawing challenge. Let's get started.
All right.
Over to Vinny.
Yep, let's get started. So if you saw our other Mario drawing video, that was the classic Mario. But today we're drawing Mario Maker, and he's different because he has the yellow construction hat. So we're gonna start with the nose. I'm gonna do a big round nose. Then we're gonna do his mustache. We're gonna do 2 curved lines going up. From left to right, just make a bunch of connecting U-shapes going all the way across. Right here is just a simple line for the mouth, and then we move above to start on his eyes. So make one large egg shape, and then a smaller one inside of that, and then an even smaller one inside of that one. And now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Once you're done with that, then we're going to make a small circle at the top of the pupil, and then we're going to color in the pupil. The eyeballs are really easy. All you have to do is just do 2 arches that connect at each end and then do the same thing on the other eyebrow. For this part, you can pause and just watch as I make his hairline. All I do is I just come down and then curve back up. Then the same thing on the other side. So then connect these to make the chin and make his big round cheeks. Like that. His ear is really simple. You just make just a regular cartoon ear shape with a line inside. We're going to arch from one ear to the other to start the shape of his hat. Then follow along here as I make the lines for his construction helmet. And here we're going to make the Mario logo, so it's going to be a half circle, and then inside of that, we're going to do a capital block letter M. Alright, the head looks good, so now we're going to move on to his body. So to make the overalls, we just do 2 lines coming down, and then we do 2 V's at the end of that coming out. Make a line coming down connecting to the V. Make a large button inside each strap, and then make a curved line connecting both straps. Now for his arm, we're going to bow out to make it look like his hand is on his hip, like that. And then we're going to make his arm crease, and then for this arm, we just go straight down. Alright, so to finish the overalls, we are going to do a little curved line coming out like that. Then I'm going to do another line coming out. So the last thing we need to do is make his pockets, so we just do a diagonal line on each side and a straight line going across the bottom. Alright, we're all done. Time to color.
Race that super fast. Okay guys, so we're done with our Marios. So look how we did. We look really good. Let me see yours.
Whoa, that's pretty good.
Yeah, I like the detail.
Yeah, that's nice.
I'm glad that you figured out the hand. Hit subscribe to watch all our videos.